Hi everyone. This month I got my Ipsy bag and I decided I'd make a video for you guys. So I haven't opened it yet, it's still sealed. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and show you guys what I got. This is July 2017's Ipsy bag. It's really in there. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little... I think it's supposed to be an egg with a face. And on the back, it has a little bum sticking out. That's actually really cute. I might use that. And it says Gudetama right there. Yeah. So let's see what I got. Let me just check to see if there's anything else in here. No. Okay. Ooh. My favorite part about Ipsy is when they send you a brush. I have stuff stuck to my nail. Anyways. So, let me just take it out of the package. So it's a crease brush. It doesn't have a brand on it. Oh, yes, it does. IBY Beauty. It says right there. And yeah, it's a nice little crease brush. Let's see what else we got. The usual card. Oops. What do we have here? Pacifica Island Life Natural Mineral Eyeshadows. And it's 100% vegan and cruelty free. If I can get it out of the package. Yeah, so it comes in a little box. Like that. And then it's taped, but there's like a little... It just slides out. If I can get it untaped. I have the worst luck with these. I guess I don't really need the box. And on the back it says the shades. So, okay. Starting from this side, this is Skinny Dip, and then Coral Sand, Golden Treasures, Golden, and then Treasure, and then Sandalwood. So, I know there's a bit of a glare, but let's see if I can get this open now. I will get it eventually. Okay. Comes with a little applicator sponge.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hilarious.
Yeah, so they're pretty pigmented. Actually, Skinny Dip you could use as a highlighter, so that's how nice it is. They're all shimmery. I don't know if you can even see that. Yeah. What else do we got? Ooh, Tarte. Okay. Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I love this case. I just want to say that. It feels cool. Like leathery almost. And that's what it looks like. It's got a bit of a shimmer to it.
tell you Mama.
I don't know if you can see that either, but yeah, it's nice. Two more things. Honolulu lip treatment in rose. This is not focused at all. But yeah. Sealed. It's a Hawaiian company. Made in the USA. Nice. We'll see how that goes later. And the last thing. Tantalizing taupe, whatever, eyebrow cream by Shella. I'm just gonna open this and see what it looks like. These things are so hard to open sometimes. Okay, I got it. Okay. So there's two ends. Oh, it has an angled brush on it. A nice angled brush. Oh. And then it's like a little tub of the eyebrow. It looks like a wax or a cream. I'm just gonna dip the brush in it to find out. It's actually a powder. Nice. Sorry, you can't really see that. But yeah, it's a nice dark color. Looks like it'll match my eyebrows. Cool. I'll be sure to try that out tomorrow. And that was it for my Ipsy bag for this month. I still love this so much. I love his little butt hanging out. Yeah. This is a keeper. This is a keeper. Alright. So, that's it. If you'd like to see next month's Ipsy bag, comment below, give me a like, and I'll see what I can do.